Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this rational equation a squared divided by b squared plus b squared divided by a squared equals to 34. And now we are going to find the value of a divided by b plus b divided by a, and make sure that a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0 as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's recall this famous identity x plus y whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 times xy. If we suppose that x equals to a divided by b and y equals to b divided by a, then this equation could be written as a divided by b plus b divided by a whole square equals to a divided by b whole square plus b divided by a whole square plus 2 times a divided by b times b divided by a. And now let's go ahead and simplify the right hand side of this equation. So the right hand side, a divided by b whole square, could be written as a square divided by b square plus, likewise this could be written as b square divided by a square, and here a and a cancel each other out and b is gone with this one, so we ended up with just 2 on the right hand side. And now let's focus on this part, a square divided by b square plus b square divided by a square, and we can see that this is equal to 34 from this given equation. So I'm going to replace this one by 34. So we can write this one as 34 plus 2, which is equal to 36. And now let's go ahead and undo this square by taking the square root on both sides of this equation. And now we can see that this square and this square root, they undo each other. So we ended up with a divided by b plus b divided by a equals to, on the right hand side, the square root of 36 is simply positive or negative 6. So thus our simplified answer for a divided by b plus b divided by a turns out to be equal to positive or negative 6. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.